Hey friends, ZenKahuna here. Primal Nature Play time, and today kettlebell. So what I'm going to do is a brief tutorial on how to do figure eight to a hold with a reverse arc. So if you're not familiar with the figure eight to a hold, I'll demonstrate that first and then I'll show you the reverse arc. So let's take a look at it. So start off with our kettlebell. You want to have a kettlebell that's light enough so that you can do this safely while you're learning it. So, get your good grip. You're going to swing it through the leg and up to your figure eight to a hold. And then down and up. So, as you're doing your figure eight to a hold, you drop it, swing it around, and drop it. Swing it around and drop it. Okay? So, it's through the leg. Here's the arc right here, coming up. This hand is your backstop. Put that hand up to give yourself a target. Boom, catch it. Then you give a little push with that target, or this hand, the target hand, a little bit of a push so you can drop it right down through the center line and then bring it up on the other side. Again, with this arc. To do the reverse arc, here we are up. We're going to swing it through the leg. There's that one. Now we're going to reverse that arc and come up. And then go through, figure eight to a hold with reverse arc. Now when you do this, when you do the reverse arc, again, use your target hand, the hand that's back, to help throw it back in that arc. Now, let me show you why. If you are up here in your figure eight to a hold, and you are careless what you're going to do with this kettlebell, you don't give it enough push, you can, hit your leg with the kettlebell. So, I'm going to use the kettlebell inappropriately, but not too inappropriately, but where you can get a sense of what I'm talking about. So there's our figure eight to a hold. So if I just kind of drop this down, whoa, I'm coming around way too close. If I'm up here and I reverse this arc with a little bit of a push, did you see that? All the way out here, right? Nowhere near my leg. That's the way I want it. That's the way I'd like you to do it so that you save your knees. So one more time, let's take a look at it. Use the other arm. Figure eight to a hold, reverse the arc. Figure eight to a hold, reverse the arc. Right? Great move. Just by itself. Now you can put it together with all kinds of other options. A press. A press to a snatch. Press right into a snatch, right into a high pull, and so on and so forth. So lots of possibilities. Figure eight to a reverse arc. Check it out. Go light enough at the beginning so you don't hurt yourself, and then really make it fun. Kick some ass.